Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another Radwash Media production. Today we're actually going to finish up the 2012 Buick LaCrosse that I started just over a week ago. I did the exterior wash then. I'm going to go ahead and do the interior detail now. And then we have so much more exciting content coming down the pipeline for 2020. So I'm super excited to get this one done and get those other ones uploaded. So I have a lot to do here. I will be back with you in just a bit, but hey, if you haven't done so already, please smash the like button on the videos, subscribe to the channel, tell your friends, bring the masses. Alrighty, I will see you in just a bit. So this vehicle was actually quite a mess. There was a lot of stuff that I needed to clean out of the vehicle and just a lot of debris in the carpet, on the seats. So it was actually quite a fun time. I really like to start with cleaning it out, like I said before, and I always add a little extra flair with the Radwash bag. That way I can just collect all the client's things and put it into there, including any money that I might find. Then I'll go ahead and remove all the floor mats all around and get started on cleaning those so that they are dry by the time I'm finished. So when cleaning the floor mats, inside like this in the winter, I will go ahead and just rinse them off with water. I'll agitate it with a brush. You'll notice I'll use one of my favorite tools, which is the little plastic razor. That thing is so great when trying to get things that are kind of stuck. And then go through and spray it down with the floor mat cleaner and agitate again with the same brush. And I will go back through that with a clean microfiber towel and wipe off any of the excess dirt and debris. Then I'll go ahead and move on to the vacuuming. So the attachment that I like to use the most is the most concentrated one. That helps me clean up any of the tight areas, and also just kind of in the open areas I get better suction with it. I really like to use the detail brush to get some of the debris that's stuck in those tight areas. Once I'm done vacuuming, I'll go ahead and use the extractor to get those carpets nice and clean. In this area, I went ahead and put some all-purpose cleaner onto the carpet and then agitated that with a softer bristle brush. I don't have any for my drill yet, but this works just fine by hand. It helps me get that salt that's kind of caked into the carpet. After cleaning the carpets, I'll go ahead and start in on all the trim and hard surfaces inside the vehicle. And here again, I'm using my plastic scraper. That thing is really awesome, you guys, for getting some of that grime off where I can't wipe it with the microfiber towels. And once everything is clean, I'll go back again and put conditioner on the leather and all the other hard surfaces. Once everything is cleaned and conditioned, I will start in on everyone's favorite part, and that is cleaning the glass. So here I like to kind of go through multiple steps. I use a clean microfiber towel. I always have them color coded. For the glass, I use blue. And what I do is I use a diluted alcohol solution to wipe down the inside of the glass, and then I will follow that up with just the regular glass cleaner and my waffle weave towel. When the glass is all finished up, the vehicle is finished. So go ahead and enjoy the before and afters. And if you haven't done so already, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell so you can get the notifications, and keep coming back for more. We'll see you guys in the next one.